In this video, I will show you how to send money from Payoneer to Binance. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on my Payoneer account. So I've currently logged in, and what you're going to want to do is come to the menu on the left hand side and click onto banks and cards. From here, what you're going to need to do is click onto the Payoneer cards up here. Now, because this is quite a brand new account, I don't actually have a Payoneer card. So what you actually have to do is receive payments of at least $100 or equivalent to your account in a 6-month period. So once you've done that, you can actually get a Payoneer card. Now, what you can do once you've got that Payoneer card is come across to Binance, and what you want to do is log into your account and come up to the top left hand corner and hover over buy crypto. From here, just come down and choose your currency. You can see it's currently set to euros, but I'm going to go ahead and change this to GBP, which is my local currency. Once you change the currency, you then want to click onto credit debit card. Now, all you need to do is enter the amount that you want to send through. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and put 50, and then you want to choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy. And once that's done, you'll be able to go ahead and basically send money from your Payoneer account to Binance by purchasing cryptocurrency. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.